Tennis ace Sania Mirza believes sportsmen have to work together in the tandem for betterment of sports. She asserted working together with the association avoided a big turmoil during and before the Olympics. Sania reached his career best ranking 7th this year.
बहुत अच्छा था. I think I reached my career best of 7 in the world. I won a Grand Slam, and so yeah, I'm very happy. जो था 2012, and I hope, but as a tennis player you can't be satisfied, so I hope 2013 will be better. फिलहाल नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक मैं खेलूंगी क्योंकि मेरा नी अभी भी ठीक नहीं है. बट आई थिंक जनवरी में मैं देखूंगी आफ्टर ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन कैसे होगा. द फैक्ट इज के सारे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जो है वो मेहनत करते हैं, कुछ जीतते हैं कुछ हारते हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एक बार हार जाए तो फिर सब खत्म हो जाता है. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ स्पोर्ट. यू कैन ऑलवेज कम बैक, यू कैन ऑलवेज विन. There's always a next day. So whether that's to do with the associations that have been going through trouble or whatever it is, I hope that 2013 brings joy and happiness to everything and makes it better for the country, because I think that we all have to work in tandem as a country, whether that's with the sports or whether that's with other sports organizations. I didn't have any major injury. The season was over. That's why I stopped playing. I leave for Brisbane on the 27th. Yeah, maybe eventually. Right now, being a professional athlete is very difficult. We're putting in 35 weeks a year of just traveling and playing tennis. So it's very difficult. But like I said, whatever we can do, we have to work in tandem. Whether, our sport went through a big turmoil this year as well, during the Olympics and just before the Olympics. So, but we came out of it, and here we are today. So the thing is to make it better, make sport better, make tennis better for me, and whether that's working with the other players or whether that's working with the association.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.